If your Ford Ranger XLT is turning the key to silence, don't panic. We'll diagnose the culprit in less than 3 minutes. Statistically, 7 out of 10 no-start cases are simple electrical issues that you can likely fix in your driveway. Let's break down the diagnostic steps to isolate exactly what is keeping your Ranger from firing up. Start with the basics by inspecting your battery terminals and listening for any clicks when you turn the key. The most common failures involve corroded ground cables, dead battery cells, or a worn-out starter solenoid. If the battery checks out, look toward the ignition fuse, the neutral safety switch, or a failing crank position sensor. Cleaning connections is a quick win, but internal starter or computer issues should be handled by a professional shop. As you can see, costs vary wildly, so verify the simple fixes before buying expensive replacement parts. For advanced diagnostics, use a multimeter to check for voltage drops or scan for hidden OBD codes. Always keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and wire brush handy for these common electrical troubleshooting tasks. Remember, safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before you start working on any electrical components. If these steps didn't solve it, check your owner's manual for specific fuse locations and subscribe for more Ranger repairs.